Welcome back. Today we're diving into a core IELTS topic, work and studies. Paul, let's jump straight in. Currently, do you work or are you a student?
Well, at this stage of my life, I'm primarily a professional, though I firmly believe in being a lifelong learner. I've been working as an English educator for nearly a decade now. It's a career path I chose because I've always been captivated by linguistics and the profound impact communication has on global connections.
That's a solid background. As for me, I'm currently balancing both. I'm a final year fine arts student, but I also take on freelance commissions. I opted for this field because I've had a creative spark since childhood, and pursuing it at a degree level seemed like the only logical step to hone my craft.
Interesting. So, speaking of your studies, what do you find most appealing about your course?
What I find most exhilarating is the sheer creative freedom. My professors encourage us to push the boundaries of conventional art. However, if I were to point out a drawback, it would be the rigorous deadlines. Balancing multiple projects simultaneously can be quite a taxing endeavor. What about your job, Paul? Do you find it fulfilling?
Absolutely. The most rewarding aspect is witnessing that light bulb moment when a student finally grasps a complex grammatical structure. On the flip side, the administrative workload can be somewhat tedious. It's a far cry from my dream job as a child, though.
Oh, don't leave us hanging. What was your dream job when you were young?
I was absolutely convinced I would become an astronaut. I spent hours staring at the stars, mesmerized by the vastness of space.
And have you changed your mind since then?
Laughs, most definitely. As I matured, I realized that I'm much better suited for terrestrial challenges. While space exploration still fascinates me, I've found my true calling in education. My priorities shifted from exploring the physical universe to exploring the nuances of human language.
That's a common transition. I think many candidates struggle with this question because they feel they must have stayed true to their childhood dreams. But in reality, showing how your mindset has evolved demonstrates a high level of linguistic flexibility.
Spot on. It's all about the ability to compare your past and present perspectives using a variety of tenses, a key requirement for a high band score.